Okay, are you ready? Stop filming us.
Hi!
Hi everybody, Dr. Deb is here. We're finishing up a great evening here with our essential oils party that our awesome friend Lynette did for us. I want to make sure that you guys are all aware and hopefully very excited about coming to our February 11th event. Be strong, smart, and beautiful. And it
Like
is,
us.
Yes, exactly. Got that right, baby.
Be like Mike, don't be like Mike, be like Kim.
Yeah. So we would love for you to come out on February 11th from 7 to 9 and enjoy a great evening of wine tasting, great appetizers, and some fun shopping, and just have a great night with your ladies. So grab all your friends, family, and loved ones and bring them out to the
Don't
to the
forget
event.
about the financial advising though.
Oh, that lady too. Yeah.
A great financial advisor is going to come to give you some great information on how to spend your money and how to make your money grow. Very beneficial for you. You got to come and join us. It's going to be a fun night, girls, full of food, wine, fantastic fun, and girl power.
And you get to hang out with us. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye.
Bye.